Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping and help you make the smartest purchases. Today, we have a drone showdown between the Holy Stone HS720G and the ATTOP drone. It's the battle of the skies, and we're here to see which one will soar and which one will crash and burn. Buckle up and let's dive in. Alright, let's talk cameras. Holy Stone HS720G is flexing with a 2-axis gimbal and a 4K EIS camera. That's right, folks, it's 4K. This bad boy is like the Spielberg of drones, capturing stunning, vivid footage that'll make your Instagram followers weep with jealousy. Reviewers rave about its smooth photos and videos, making it a top choice for aerial photography. Now, over here on the right, we have the ATTOP drone with its 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. Sure, it's not 4K, but it's like that friend who always shows up to the party with a decent playlist. It gets the job done, and some users even say, "Hey, that's not bad." It's a solid pick for beginners who want clear and decent shots without breaking the bank. Next up, battery life. The Holy Stone HS720G gives you 26 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to fly across town, grab a coffee, and still make it back before the battery croaks. Reviewers appreciate its reliable performance and decent flight duration. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone comes with not one, not two, but 3 batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. It's like they knew you'd crash it twice and still need a third try to get it right. Users love the extra batteries, especially for extended playtime, although some mention quick battery drains. All right, let's talk features. The Holy Stone HS720G is loaded with all the bells and whistles. Headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and a powerful GPS module. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You could probably fly this thing blindfolded. Though, please don't try that at home. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly controls and robust features, making it great for both beginners and experienced users. Now, the ATTOP drone is no slouch either. It's got 1 key return, altitude hold, 360 degrees flips, voice control, and even gesture selfies. It's like the drone that just wants to have fun and make you look cool in front of your friends. Plus, it's got an app that lets you draw routes. Picasso, but make it drone. Users find it easy to operate and durable, though some have faced issues with malfunctions. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the price. The Holy Stone HS720G is priced at $299. Yep, it's an investment. But hey, you get what you pay for. FAA compliance, 4K camera, and a ton of features. Reviewers feel it's worth the price for its premium features and performance. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone is a budget-friendly $109. That's right, you could buy almost 3 of these for the price of 1 Holy Stone. It's like the dollar store of drones, but in a good way. You get a lot of bang for your buck. Users appreciate its affordability and decent performance, though some have experienced quality issues. Summarizing the reviews, the Holy Stone HS720G is praised for its professional-grade camera, reliable battery life, and feature-rich design. Users find it a great investment for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. On the flip side, the ATTOP drone is appreciated for its affordability and fun features, though some users have faced quality issues. It's a solid choice for those looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers a decent performance. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720G is the tech-savvy, feature-packed, high-flying machine, while the ATTOP drone is the fun, budget-friendly, and easy-to-use option. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. Are you looking for top-tier performance? Or just some good old flying fun? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and remember to always buy smart.